plaza in the village where mission bells used to ring is now crumbled to a pile of stench and ruin. Even the swallows have vanished, no longer return every spring. All the blossoms are buried beneath the waste. Out of the shadows grow hatred. Along the corridor crawls fear, crushed by the promise of hope that never returns. Watched with a hawk's trained eye the trees grow silent fruit. Beneath the suffering sky, those who have stayed keep the flame in memory of the fallen. Pass on the old rights despite the risk, but many more have left here on mended broken wings. Turn to see your reaction. Teardrop fills your eye, but you protest not to give up or give in. Heading straight for the wreckage, picking up a shovel in a hole. Start putting back the bricks one by one. Numbers come out of the woodwork, curious to see the rebirth.